Hey guys, that was a voice crack. Anyways, hey guys, so guess what I just found today, walking down my hill, so that I can take you guys on the fourth walk, fourth walk. Guess what I found? Turns out, someone was mad their lighter wouldn't work. Threw it out, right next to my house. I'm trying to get it to work, but I think it's out of fuel. Everything else seems good, though, with it. So I'll probably just throw it out at my grandma's house. Or something. It was one of my little cousins who taught me how to work this thing. Their dad's a smoker. But yeah, he taught me how to work it for 4th of July fireworks. But yeah, someone decided it'd be great to throw this out. Yeah, this thing says to never puncture it or throw it in fire. I would like to say that we have squirrels, raccoons, and a bunch of other animals that would do that at my house. Not to mention if a snake swallows this. Snakes will eat anything they can get their mouths around. Especially the kind we have out here, because we got restrictors, mother trucker. And I think venomous snakes also do that because they don't have the teeth to chew it. So I don't know who threw this out of like their car window or whatever. But the top seems a bit rusty right there. Don't know if you can see that. I almost want to say that it stopped working because of the rain that we had last night. And not so much because it's out of fuel. But I can't get it to work right now. I can get it to spin just fine, though. I don't think I'll be able to get it to work. Because I can spin the thing. Oh, wait. What the heck? I don't know what just happened there. I felt something warm. Yeah, I don't know what just happened there. Scared the shit out of me, too. Thought I lit myself on fire. There's got to be something in there that's lighting fire. Or spark shot off and hit me in the finger. Something along those lines. Didn't burn me, I'm fine. But yeah. So don't know who lost this bitch. But I'm going to take it to my grandma's house and throw it away. It's really annoying, too. You try to keep the animals around here good and healthy and safe. And then some dumbass goes and throws out their fucking lighter. Sorry I haven't posted those other videos yet. Still gotta edit them. I've been slacking on the posting. Again. My little cousin should be there today. You know, all that good stuff. be really nice if people would stop throwing out things like lighters. Sorry, I'm walking up a steep hill right now. But yeah, it's just really weird too. I've never seen anyone on a road smoke. So I don't know whose it could be. Which pisses me off even more, you know? But I think the safest thing to do is to return this. Well, not return it. My grandma don't smoke. But is to take this to my grandma's house and chuck it out there. And inform her of what I saw, what I found today. I don't know. I mean, I like fire and all, but I don't want it to hurt the animals around our house. And honestly, this lighter don't even work. I got no reason to keep it. Also, it probably belonged to like a smoker. Maybe of meth or weed. So they're going to be pretty pissed that they lost this thing if they don't got another one. And if they come looking for that shit, then I got it. It could get sticky. I don't want to take the chance that somebody gets hurt because some dipshit lost their lighter and can't find it. Also, I'm being stared at by like a ton of cows right now. That's cool. I like cows. One is kind of coming over to see me. Up there goes like 2 of them. A few are taking a couple steps closer just to see me. See, you can see all of them right now. They aren't too pleased. Yeah, you can see them all right up there behind me. You know, classic farm kid stuff. God damn it. For once I didn't make it in time and now my neighbor's chickens are crossing the road. Oh man, and they got one of the turkeys with them too. Oh, and the rooster's close to the road. I swear to God, if I get attacked by a rooster or a turkey, I'm gonna kick a bird if I get attacked by a rooster or a turkey. And that might sound violent, but that's pretty much the only way to get them away from you. Kick them. In all fairness, their owners have raised them with a pretty good sense of, like, humans. So I don't think they'll come after me. They have no reason to. I'm not harming anyone or anything. I'm just recording and talking to you guys. I mean, I can tell that the turkey can tell I'm coming. He's making gobbling noises at me. But he's kind of just standing there. I think he's waiting for me to cross or pass him. Oh, nope, there he goes. Oh, I can tell he sees me. He's looking at me right now. Oh, he's commanding the chickens to cross the road. Well, that's ironic. I thought chickens were supposed to follow a rooster, not turkey. can hear him. That mother trucker. Right there, mother truckers. Right there, that black dot. That's a turkey, and he has his tail feathers up. Can I walk past you? I don't know what he's doing right now, but it's starting to creep me out. Dude, your girls have all crossed the road. Please let me pass. Is it turkey mating season? Is that what is going on right now? Just walking past, man. Not coming near you, not coming near your gals, just walking. And for those of you who don't know, turkeys do have like spurs on their feet. Yep, I hear you loud and clear, man. Just gonna keep walking now. We're gonna speed up the walking pace just a little bit because that thing either seems angry or is trying to find a mate. And either way, I don't want any part of it. Turkeys do have spurs on their feet that can like actually hurt you, like bad hurt you. And the gals are all like, okay, we're gonna head back to the other side now. He's kind of following them. I think he was just trying to make me wait until they all passed to make sure they were safe. There was like one that ran past whenever I walked through. He was fine. I was not gonna disrespect his gals. Jesus. But yeah, no. Their turkeys are like big too. Like they had two, but one of them, like the really fat one, kind of disappeared. I almost wonder if they ate him. I don't think so though. They treat those turkeys like pets. But yeah, no. Turkeys have spurs on their feet that can actually kill you and like seriously hurt you. And if he was mad at me, I didn't want any part of that. I was always told when an animal is being aggressive to you to slowly back away with your hands up so you're not a threat. Unless it's like a bear, like a black bear or like a cougar. Then you want to make yourself look bigger, tougher, scarier, and make loud noises to try and scare them off. But yeah, we've encountered 2 animals today. That's a little bit of a relief. Maybe we will find something. It kind of looks like it's going to rain, but I think I'll be fine. I'm not sure, but the cloud coverage feels nice today. We're almost at the trail now. Those turkeys have now calmed down. Like, he didn't follow me or anything. After I walked past him, he kind of just went back up his driveway and went home. But, like, I wanted to make sure he wasn't going to, like, try and spur me with his freaking feet. Also, this is a spiky cup, and I've been holding it against my arm, so now my arm has fun pattern. Has a fun pattern on it. And an interesting texture at that. But my little cousin should be at my grandma's house today. And if that's the case, then I'm really excited. It's Tuesday. My cousin's supposed to be there. She's also supposed to be there Thursday. And then I think today I also have to help my grandma reorganize her dining room. Yay. I love my grandma, but she rubs me into a lot of shit. A lot. I volunteer with Riley. I love her. I get roped into shit with my grandma. we're on the trail now. But yeah. I think that turkey was just trying to protect his girls. You know. Damn, I need some chapstick. Anyways. But yeah, no, if that thing had come after me, I might have just kicked it. Because that's kind of what my grandpa taught me to do in that kind of scenario. Like, I asked him what I do if the rooster comes after me while I'm going to go collect the eggs. And he's like, first off, if that rooster comes after you, it's a problem. And you're threatening one of his girls. Second off, if he comes after you because you're taking the eggs, you kick that motherfucker. Then he went up to the rooster, and the rooster came after him, just like I thought it would do, and Poppy kicked it. And he kicked that thing hard, like it went back. He kicked it hard. But yeah, so Poppy kicked the rooster to show me what to do. If that turkey had come after me, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I guess I'm gonna motherfucking kick the bitch. Also, this video is not made for children. By any means. YouTube. It's gonna be a long video. Usually my videos are like 20, 30 minutes. This one's probably gonna be like 40. Good thing about all the trees on the Katy Trail is they give you some coverage in case it does start to rain. But you still don't want it to. It's not like a very hot day either. Kind of indicating it's gonna rain. If anything, it's more like sticky, humid weather with like a cool base. You know? Mosquitoes have been all over me this week, by the way. Those guys love me. And I hate them. It's a love-hate relationship with mosquitoes, okay? Also, I have some really exciting news. So, on June 8th, my mom has bought tickets for me and her to go see one of my favorite YouTubers, B. Dylan Hollis, at St. Louis, Missouri. He's currently doing a book tour around the United States, and maybe a little bit further, I'm not sure, to promote his new book, Baking Across America. Which makes me really excited, because I absolutely love him. And the best part about him is, like, he's gay. In my opinion, that is the best part about him. He seems to have a great personality, and he's funny, but he's gay. And I love that he's gay, because I love my LGBTQs, because they always tend to either have the best fashion sense, be the funniest, or be the nicest people you will ever meet. That goes for emos and goth girls too. Like, and alt girls, really. I think you guys really just need to understand that they tend to have the best fashion sense and are usually really nice. Like Claude Beauty 101. Wonderful person. Promotes mental health to no boundaries. Great human. And her channel is also amazing. She's really nice. But yeah. And B. Dylan Hollis. Sorry, I'm getting tongue twisted here. It's really cool. Because he is so funny. In more than one of his videos. Because Missouri is not known for its cuisine. We're known for our wine. But in more than one of his videos, B. Dylan Hollis has made an old Missouri recipe. Okay. And he has asked me, well, not me, but he has asked the Missouri children What is going on in Missouri? And even we don't know half the time. Also, I just saw a little leaf with a puddle. That was cute. But anyways, even we don't know half the time. And we then apologize for the sins of our ancestors. Like, some Missouri recipes make no sense, but they're not bad. And then some Missouri recipes make no sense and are awful. And apparently, in that time, around the times that he usually tends to cook for Missouri, cars, but around the time that he usually tends to cook for Missouri, it was a habit for grandmothers who were in a feud not to be mean to each other or say mean words, but to give each other bad recipes. Wouldn't yell at each other, wouldn't cuss at each other. They would just give each other bad recipes, which is how a lot of the things that we eat in this world were born. Also, my Momo, who is my great-great-grandma, and my granny, who is my great-grandma, both lived in the Depression era. My granny was born in 1939. I don't know what year my Momo was born. Gotta ask my granny that. But that woman was born in 1939. This year, she will be 86 years old. And she is one of the best people that I have ever met. She is polite, but firm. And according to everyone in my family, I have a Granny Annie look. Which is a look Granny gives you when she wants you to do something. Apparently, my parents first saw this look when I was in church. Story time. So, I was in church, right? Okay. And I used to read the daily announcements in the morning before the actual church started. Well, one day, I get up there to read, and Granny Annie and her bench partner are talking. So I wait, and I wait, and I wait, until eventually my face just turns into this. Which was essentially me trying to tell them to shut up so I could read. And I think they got the hint too, because they did. They did shut up. But yeah. So, my grandma is awesome. Love her. But, oh my God, she needs to not talk when I'm reading. Also, I'm kind of yelling because I'm alone right now. No one's in front of me and no one's behind me. I think it's because it looks like it might rain. So people aren't really out today. You know. Oh yeah, and if you're looking for someone, like an author, who writes about queers and minorities, definitely check out Sia Melange. From what I've heard, her book Citadel is really good. But I kind of want to read her book that will be coming out soon, called The Witch Who Trades with Death. And then she also makes a couple cookbooks. She has a cafe latte binder, which is just a cookbook full of more recipes in a binder form. And then she has a cafe latte cookbook, both of which together are only like $40. I want to get them. I will get them. I have the money to get them. You know. I can never tell if my eyes look blue or not on here. I swear to God, my eyes are blue. But sometimes I'll catch light reflecting off them while I'm recording, and then they look gray. Or my eyes are like this, and then they look freaking green. But no, I swear to God, my eyes are blue. And I do have eyelashes. See? I got them. They're just really light, and light keeps reflecting off of them. Also, I was right. This is going to be like a 40-minute video. But yeah. Right now, I'm just carrying a massive cup of coffee. And I'm definitely posting these videos out of order. Definitely posting them out of order. But yeah. This is like the only video I've recorded in one foul swoop. And I think that's just because I don't want to take up a ton of, like, room on my phone. Also, if you're looking for a good self-care app, might I suggest that you try Finch? It's really fun. You can make your own character. It's like a little penguin. It's adorable. And your little penguin can get pets in it, too. Also, a mosquito just bit my elbow, so that's great. I've probably gotten so many mosquito bites that I haven't even noticed today. Mosquitoes love me. I will reiterate, they love me. That one went after my elbow. But it's fine. I scratch them really hard and then they stop hurting or itching or anything because I probably broke them open and made them bleed. I had to scratch my face. Sorry about the really up close. Also, I know I have acne. Please don't point it out. My dad told me to put on sunscreen today. That's what I did. Because I'm still healing from the sunburn last week. Don't need another one. But don't imagine we'll be spending too much time outside. Imagine it starts pouring down rain right now. I really shouldn't say that. I'm going to jinx it. I am very superstitious, by the way. Like, my first ever short was me trying to explain in 3 minutes what a ghost was. Or why they would stick around. Something like that. But, yeah. Truly, I am one of the weirdest children you will ever meet. If any of my fans meet me in real life. But honestly, I don't really have many fans. Nor do I think any of them will want to meet me. You know, we're approaching our favorite wooden bridge up here. And I actually have posted videos before. I just haven't edited videos before. So what should take me like 10 minutes will take me like 3 hours trying to correctly edit them. Also, I don't know why my legs are itchy. They don't have any mosquito bites on them. We went to my grandma's for dinner on Saturday. It was really good. She made chicken noodle soup with rolls, salad, and like a couple other things. Somebody found something metal. And then like a few arrowheads, I think. That's neat. Not gonna mess with it though. I don't know who it belongs to. But yeah, she made chicken noodle soup with rolls, salad, We were each allowed one soda, and then chocolate cake and ice cream. It was very good. Then the next night, I made dinner at my house. We had a brisket that I made. I made mashed potatoes. I made asparagus, because I love asparagus. And then I made a chocolate cake. I made cornbread. And then we all had like our own drink of choice with it. It was really cool. But the brisket, like, it was kind of a pain. My dad said it was good. I thought it was okay. But yeah. I was really upset because I thought it would turn out bad. Because when I was like doing the onions for it, you had to cut up 5 yellow onions and caramelize them. And like the sugars from the onions kind of stuck to the bottom of the pan and it looked like it was burnt. So then we seared our meat. Well, I seared the meat. And then my dad helped me with the liquids and stuff part, where you gotta scrape stuff off the bottom of the pot. You have to use a Dutch oven for this too. It took forever. From what my dad says, Dutch ovens are just cast iron pans covered in a glaze, like a ceramic glaze, from what he said. Cast irons can be used for all sorts of things, and the Dutch oven also can be. But yeah, it was really easy. It was just some onions, mushrooms, meat, and like sauces and seasonings. And that was about it. Well, red wine, beef broth, Worcestershire, however you say it, sauce, and then like salt, pepper, mushrooms, onions, 3 to 4 pound brisket. And then last night we had ham. My mom made her brown sugar and pineapple ham with mashed potatoes and corn. Super simple, super easy. But yeah, this is not a bad walk right now. I'm pretty comfy. We're almost at the end of this, with the Katy Trail, part of our little route. But then I'm going to take you on a walk up to my grandma's house. Really, it's just the Katy Trail and then a super steep hill. When it's all said and done, like, that is the best way to describe it. But the hill has a sidewalk. And the sidewalk is pretty straight. But, you know. But, yeah, we're also going to throw this away at my grandma's. I would capture her reaction on tape, but I don't want my little cousin Riley to be on tape. And if she's at my grandma's house right now, then there's a good chance she might get on tape, because she runs around a lot when she's there. You know, all that good stuff. I'm trying to filter myself enough that YouTube won't get mad at me and kick me off. And, like, I don't know any sign language. I wish I did, but I don't. But you guys know I know some Spanish, at least. Well, actually, if I'm posting these videos out of order, you wouldn't know that. I know some Spanish. I'm still working on Duolingo. On Thursday, I will have 365 days of Duolingo for Spanish. That is a very noisy bird. Yes, I hear you. Yeah, but I don't think anyone's out riding their bikes or running today. Just because of how, like, rainy it looks. Damn. I had hoped to catch a mosquito that was flying around me. And there's these, like, boards over here that I would show you guys. But I'm afraid they would give away my location more than I already have, which isn't a great idea. There is this one sign, though, that says the Rail Trail Hall of Fame. Which basically means that Missouri is in a hall of... Not Missouri, God. That the Katy Trail is in a hall of fame because it used to be a railroad and now it is one of the longest trails in America. Stretches across 4 states. It's either Tennessee or Texas. Not sure on that one. But yeah. And then me living my best life pretty much means I live on the Katy Trail and I walk it whenever I want. And I do. I only live like half a mile from the Katy Trail. Tops. But yeah, I do live pretty close to the Katy Trail. Just to let you know, if it starts raining, I'm not going to, like, run or anything. But I can't say that I will not be, like, a little bit quicker of a walk if it rains. Also, I have my spare key for a reason from my grandma's house. Seems to make her happier than anything that I'm doing this. Kind of want to see if our gas station is still making the beeping noise. Seems like there's some guys there working on it now. Also, it seems like my grandma's home, so cool. Oh, what did I just see? Hello? I swore that I just saw a little bunny rabbit hop down there. I was gonna be so upset if it got stuck. It might have a nest under the bridge, so. Because I'm not seeing it from either angle, either side. Probably has like a nest under the bridge or on that bank or something. But yeah. So, poor bunny rabbit. There's a couple big birds flying past me right now. It's kind of a, like, wetter evening. Not evening, morning. It rained last night and then morning dew and all that. Yeah, this guy's definitely working on our gas pump. up here. And we only got one of those mother truckers, by the way. Burb. Really big vulture flying overhead. Okay. Dude. Bad omens. Joking. I don't think any animals are bad omens. I think some people are bad omens. Seriously, there's a couple kids in my grade that I would hit upside the head if I could. Yep, gas pump is definitely getting worked on. Well, guys, we are gonna sign off for now. I probably won't make any more videos today, just because this one is so long. Talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.